no secret that system security is the #1 priority in healthcare these days. As medical data moved from paper notes to electronic databases, the risk of leaks and cyber attacks grew even faster. Welcome to DataImpulse channel. We're discussing why private IPs are vital for healthcare and pharma infrastructure. Patents in pharma can represent decades of research. Aspirin is a classic example of the discovery that changed medicine and was fought over for years. Beyond patents, pharma companies manage highly sensitive molecular manufacturing processes, for example, sourcing raw materials to coordinating production across regions. That's why secure and private access to data is a must. Pharma data is worth a fortune, so it is constantly attacking cybercriminals, hackers, and even insiders. In 2024, a ransomware attack on pharma research firm Innovative shut down critical systems. A clear reminder that no life sciences organization is fully immune to cyber threats. Today, pharma companies face hidden attacks that can linger for months, ransomware that can freeze research, insider misuse of access, and non-stop pressure to meet strict regulation while storing sensitive data under lock and key. How could we skip AI? It's helping pharma speed up drug discovery, manage sensitive data, and even predict cyber attacks. Integration can be tricky with legacy systems, messy data, and strict regulations. But the payoff is huge: faster analysis, automated compliance, and stronger security. And of course, if teams and experts work together. So, what actions will keep pharma data out of the wrong hands? Well, multi-factor authentication is nothing new. Use strong passwords and role-based access paired with private IP pools to limit access to whitelisted networks. Encrypt sensitive data, update system regularly, and educate employers about cyber threats. Monitor suppliers, run audits, and have incident response or disaster recovery plans in place. And remember, collaboration across companies and agencies is a key element to staying one jump ahead of hackers. What do teams get with DataImpulse premium proxies? Consistent data collection, advanced protection for in-house systems, and full compliance with regulations. Give them a try and feel the result. Thanks for watching, subscribe and like for more, and see you in the next videos!